This is Carl with the three things I'm watching for Friday, December 6th. Starting out, U.S. water levels on the rivers starting to drop. Mississippi getting pretty low here. Typically, we don't talk about the water levels too much this time of year because we start to see the closures on the Mississippi. But this is taking place in the southern parts. St. Louis, draft restrictions placed. It's only going to compound the issues. And yes, we will start to see the northern parts closing on the Mississippi. Um, but on the south, this could still hamper movement. We'll have to see what our Gulf basis does. It was a little bit weaker yesterday on the higher shipping costs. We'll see if that continues and has any impact on our exports. I kind of doubt it at this time of the year. Number two thing watching today, reports on the Russian wheat crop. Came out yesterday. It is one of the poorest starts that they have ever had to the winter wheat crop. Ag minister saying a lot of the crop is going to have to be tore up and replanted. Just bad growing conditions. The whole Black Sea has really kind of struggled, and it's starting to maybe raise a few questions on what their potential wheat output will be this year. Number one thing I'm watching today, soy oil demand. We got the weekly export sales out yesterday, and when we do the cumulative totals on soy oil demand, we are right now sitting at about 917 million pounds of sales, total commitments, I should say, for the marketing year. We're 9 weeks in. The entire yearly demand forecast by the USDA for export is 600 million tons. We are 154% of that with a long way to go. That is kind of taking some of the concerns over potential tax credits not being issued in the U.S. We have not heard the end of that. We'll see. The USDA is going to have to make some changes someplace to some numbers, but it appears right now is that soy oil complex is going to get tighter, not looser in the next few months. Those are the three things I'm watching for today.